Hey guys, I know this is not an animation, but I'm going to solve a Rubik's Cube after I scramble it. I am filming with my tablet today. My iPod is low on storage, and not to mention I'm currently uploading a video using that, so... I have to make sure it's still filming. I don't remember how much time I have left to film. 60 minutes, 49 seconds. This being a pain because most of the things are sticking together. Okay. So I scrambled it enough, I do believe. So now I'm going to solve it. So that's 1 minute. I already got some of it done for me. I have to skip a bunch now. Almost. Done. And it only took 2 minutes, 9 seconds.